How to increase volume on iPhone without buttons. To get started, first of all go ahead and swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open the control center. Here you will find a vertical volume slider. Simply drag the slider up to increase the volume. This primarily controls the media volume for apps, music, and videos. Alternatively, you can also use Siri to change the volume. You can say, "Hey Siri, increase the volume." Siri will do it for you by dragging the slider up to increase the volume. Another way is to open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down until you find and tap on Sounds and Haptics. You are now on the Sounds and Haptics page. Under the Ringtone and Alert section, you can use the slider to adjust the volume. Move the slider to the left to decrease, and to the right to increase the volume. Following these steps, you can easily increase the volume on an iPhone without buttons.